Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, overall on the monthly I am definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is eventually going to go up, probably take out these highs. I think this is an expanding flat if you zoom out on the monthly, which means eventually it probably is going to go back down, but this is the monthly. It's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up right here is a wave 1. Definitely still think this middle section right here is a expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely looks like an expanding flat. If that's true, that would make this right here a 1, and that would make this right here a 2. Whether or not the 2 is actually over yet is kind of arguable. Maybe it is over, maybe it's not. If it is over, then this should start a big old uptrend for a big old wave 3 to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like a downtrend wave A. Still looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. First of all, I think this big uptrend right here is a wave 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. Now, it didn't bounce off a fib level, but I mean, wave C's don't always take out the low of wave A, so that doesn't really concern me. It kind of looks to me like the wave C is over, and if this is over, then this move down will make a higher low, and this will start a big uptrend, which should be a big wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we definitely got a nice impulsive uptrend right here, very, very clearly an uptrend. We also have some pretty clear breaks of structure. So most likely this move up I would always label as either a wave A or a wave 1. I would label this move down as either a wave B or a wave 2. Then I would look for the end of a correction and go long to learn and earn at the same time whether this move up is a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 and just keeps on trending up. Either way, I am definitely looking for a long on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looked like this one already made an ABC correction. I mean, to me, it does have a 3-wave shape to it and a nice Fibonacci bounce. A lot of the other dollar pairs kind of lead me to believe that this move up right here is actually a wave B, though, and that maybe this is going to actually go down one more time to one of these lower Fibonacci levels for a wave C. So whether or not it actually does end up going down, and this first move down is a wave A, this is a wave B, and a wave C, I guess is yet to be determined. I mean, I guess this could easily be an ABC correction right here, and this could easily make a higher low compared to this low, and it could easily just keep on trending up. So whether it does this right here or whether it does the other picture, I will definitely be ready either scenario to go long again for the continuation of what is either going to be a wave 3 or a wave C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here on the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.